What's going on, guys? I'm Chrissy Whispers. Welcome to the channel. Tonight, we're going to be talking about GameStop and graded cards. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've heard that GameStop is buying graded slabs, PSA graded slabs specifically. Now, I don't exactly know how much they're paying out because I've watched a few videos and I've heard different things. But what I do know for sure is what they're charging. They've posted cards on their website, so I think we should go take a look, see what they're charging, and decide if we're buying. I've already taken a look and I don't think I'm buying, but I'm going to talk about why you would buy and you guys can decide on your own. So I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to take a look at what's going on. All right, guys. So this is the GameStop website. First, I just want to take a look at the site, show you guys what it is. I'm sure most of you have been to their website, but if not, this is what you're looking at. You just type in GameStop.com, it'll bring you right to this. Now, they've smartened up, they did the right thing, and they put graded collectibles right there front and center for us. So you're not going to struggle to find the graded cards. But there's a catch. When you click on it, it's going to pull up all the results. And when you go to filter, it's a disaster. So if you take a look at the type, you have baseball cards, basketball cards, boxing/wrestling/MMA, football, hockey, and non-sports cards. Now, you would think non-sports cards is the category to click, but when you click on it, this is what you get. Star Wars, Marvel, you get all these other TCGs, and frankly, finding Pokemon in all of this is quite crazy. When you click on non-sports cards, there's only 15 results, and none of them are Pokemon. Second option is to search by brand. So if you type in Pokemon, view more, you have this long list of Pokemon. Now you better believe that you're not going to go through this list and click every one. There's even an issue with that. When you click on the one that you want, it takes you back to this. You have to retype Pokemon, you have to hit view more again, and you have to do it again. So you have to go and click through every single set that you're looking to search. I found an easier way to do it. Go straight to the home site, click on the search bar, and just type in graded Pokemon. It's the easiest way to get the cards. It pulls them all right up. Now, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling up side-by-side comparisons, sold listings on eBay, and listed cards on GameStop. I don't like that not every card has a picture. I think they could do better. They're an established company. They're an established website. This shouldn't be a thing. Picture coming soon. If the card's listed, the picture should be listed. That's just my opinion. Now, let's take a look at some of the cards. I filtered. Now I sorted by best matches, and all I did was take one card that had a picture from the first couple pages, and I searched sold listings on eBay, and we're going to take a look. The first card I came across was a 2000 PSA 9 Team Rocket Dark Charizard. Listed for $289. You get a bit of a discount if you're a pro member. Let's take a look at eBay. On eBay, sold listings, best offer, best offer, best offer, first edition, you don't count. First edition, you don't count. One sale, two teens, best offer, best offer, best offer, mid twos, high twos, mid twos. So the card is selling for mid to low twos. So they are charging definitely on the higher end of what this card is actually worth if you were to go to eBay. Let's take a look at the next card. Full Art Rayquaza V, PSA 10 from Evolving Skies. They have it listed for $289.99, a little bit of a discount for the pros. Let's take a look at eBay sold listings. You can get this card for about $200 on eBay, whereas GameStop feels it's a $300 card just because there, I guess, was a couple of sales at $300. Definitely on the high end for this card as well. The next page, we have the SM210 Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno stained glass promo. They have it for $61. Again, discount for pro members on eBay. Let's check it out. $50-$60. They have it just for $60. So again, on the high side of what this card is actually selling for. We've also got a PSA 9 Dark Gyarados Team Rocket Unlimited, not first edition. eBay listings. Again, high side of this card, $51. We got two more cards. Mewtwo V-Star Galarian Gallery Crown Zenith, $175. Discount for members. eBay sold listings. This card has got quite the range, but you could definitely find it for cheaper than the 135 on eBay. Now, what can we deduce from just this little bit of information? I haven't dove too deep into this. These are just the first couple of cards on the first couple of pages that I saw that I know people like. I thought it would make for good comparisons. Why would any buy from GameStop when there's definitely many chances to get the card for cheaper on eBay? Now, the only reason I could think of is you know who you're buying from. There are people out there that are paying $160 for a booster box for Scarlet Violet Era just because they know that the Pokemon Center is going to get them their product. A lot of people don't want to buy from TCG Player. A lot of people don't want to buy from eBay. Some people don't even know about TCG Player. You'll be surprised. But there are people that are willing to pay more money because they know they're getting their product from a reliable source. Now, me personally, I don't know why. I mean, Probscene's got over 1 million sales. That's crazy. But these, like this guy, Poke Shorts TCG, he's got over 300 sales. This guy's got over 600 sales. This guy's got 22,000 sales, and they're all selling it for much cheaper. And eBay secures you as well. Me personally, I would not buy a single graded card from GameStop. I thought this was kind of interesting to see how GameStop is putting their prices out. Again, I still don't know what rate that they're paying for these cards. I don't know personally, because I'm not a big graded person, but I did think that this was interesting to see that they're just basically charging the high end of all of eBay sold listings. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Anybody that hasn't visited their website, I encourage you to go check out GameStop, go check out the cards, see what's there. You might find something that you want. Listen, they are a reliable seller. Let me know what you think. Are you going to buy cards from them? I don't think I will. Leave a comment down in the comments. I'm curious to know who their targeted audience is. And more importantly, I'm curious to just see how many of these cards actually sell. They don't have a sold listings tab. I don't know how many of these they have. Do they have multiple copies of this card? So that's the video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Let me know what you think. If you like the channel, subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. I appreciate all of it. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next one.